Buffalo County, Sherman County, northeastern Dawson County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Sumner, or 24 miles southeast of Broken Bow, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Loop City, Pleasanton, Litchfield, Sumner, Miller, Hazard, Pool, and Sherman Reservoir Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo, Dawson, and Sherman.